Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I blow dry my hair for protective styles. I like to blow dry my hair sometimes before I do protective styles because it just makes styling your hair so much easier and you don't have to go through like a bunch of kinks and tangles. I always like to start off by sectioning my hair. By now, if you have watched my videos in the past, you know that I always work in sections because sections are a lifesaver. And once you have those sections, go ahead and start working in your heat protectants in your first section. I do add my heat protectant section by section because I like to make sure that every strand gets fully coated. And as you all can see here, I am making sure that I split those sections open. Once we added those heat protectants, we are going to go ahead and start detangling our hair. Detangling your hair before going in with a blow dryer just makes the blow drying process easier. But also when you use a hair tool to go through your hair, you're actually helping that product distribute evenly through each strand. I like to always start off blow drying by using the tension method, and that's just when you hold the ends of your hair and stretch it out and just move the blow dryer up and down. I do not know where my concentrator nozzle is for this blow dryer, so lately I've just been using it in this direction. She may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. Once my hair is dry and stretched to the length that I'm okay with, I go in with my comb attachment. Now, I forgot to tell you guys this, but I am actually not blow drying my hair on the highest heat. It is actually on the first setting in terms of heat, but on the top setting for speed if you all have this blow dryer or a similar blow dryer. So this is actually not the hottest heat that I am blow drying my hair on, and that is because I'm not wearing my hair straight. I'm just trying to get it stretched out so that I can easily style it. Once the section is done, go ahead and clip it out the way and repeat this process for your other sections. She makes you happy in ways I never have. I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is a lie, no longer mine. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that you'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I no one will love you like me. If I hadn't pushed you out of my Now I'm going back to that first section because I forgot to touch up on those ends. But to get your ends a little bit straighter, all you have to do is use a brush similar to the one I'm using and just stretch it out and add a little bit of heat to it, and that's how you try to get rid of some of those fuzzy ends. Like I said before, I am blow drying on kind of like mid to low heat, so they're not going to get as straight as possible for that reason.
You're the break after the bend. How much farther will we fall? And I'll wait for us to land. Still suspended, it's still dark. When I looked over my plans, this wasn't there yet. Here we are. You're the break after the bend. How much farther will we fall? How much farther can we fall? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take?
So once all of your sections have been blow dried, go ahead and let all of them combine together and let them be free. And then I like to go back over my hair again with the blow dryer just to make sure everything is straightened out.
There's no never-ending war at the limit of it all. We've been over this before. No more help down here to call. Push and pull some more. Where's the bottom of these walls? There's no never-ending war. How much farther will we fall?
And then I like to go back over my hair with cool air. I like to go over my hair with cool air because it allows my hair to close its cuticle and things of that nature and just soak in and seal up all of the moisture. And that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it and find it useful for when you get ready to do your own protective styles. And sometimes you just want to see how your hair is doing, and you can always see what your hair is doing when it is straightened out. Trust me. But for now, that's it, and I will see you all in my next video. See ya.